Welcome to English Easy Way. Today, we will learn kitchen vocabulary in English. You will see the names of common kitchen items and their simple uses. Let's begin. Utensils and cutlery. Spoon. Spoon. A spoon is used for eating, stirring, and serving food. Fork. Fork. A fork is used to pick up and eat solid food. Knife. Knife. A knife is used for cutting, chopping, and slicing food. Teaspoon. Teaspoon. A teaspoon is used for stirring tea or coffee. Tablespoon. Tablespoon. A tablespoon is used for serving or measuring food. Chopsticks. Chopsticks. Chopsticks are used for eating food in many Asian countries. Cookware. Pan/frying pan. Pan/frying pan. A pan is used for frying or sautéing food. Pot/saucepan. Pot/saucepan. A pot is used for boiling or cooking liquids. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. A pressure cooker is used for fast cooking with steam. Kettle. Kettle. A kettle is used for boiling water. Wok. Wok. A wok is used for stir-frying and deep-frying. Baking tray. Baking tray. A baking tray is used for baking cookies or bread. Oven dish. Oven dish. An oven dish is used for roasting and baking. Storage and containers. Jar. Jar. A jar is used to store spices, pickles, or sauces. Bottle. Bottle. A bottle is used to keep water, oil, or juice. Canister. Canister. A canister is used for storing flour, sugar, or grains. Lunchbox. Lunchbox. A lunchbox is used to carry food. Tupperware. Tupperware. Tupperware is used to store leftovers. Food preparation tools. Cutting board. Cutting board. A cutting board is used to cut vegetables and fruits safely. Grater. Grater. A grater is used to shred cheese, vegetables, or fruits. Peeler. Peeler. A peeler is used to remove the skin of fruits and vegetables. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. A rolling pin is used to roll dough for chapati, pizza, or cookies. Whisk. Whisk. A whisk is used for beating eggs or mixing batter. Strainer/sieve. Strainer/sieve. A strainer is used to strain tea, soup, or pasta. Masher. Masher. A masher is used to mash potatoes or soft food. Tongs. Tongs. Tongs are used to pick up hot food safely. Ladle. Ladle. A ladle is used to serve soups or curries. Spatula. Spatula. A spatula is used for flipping or spreading food. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Used to grind spices or herbs. Measuring cup. Measuring cup. Used to measure ingredients. Dinnerware. Plate. Plate. A plate is used for serving food. Bowl. Bowl. A bowl is used for soup, rice, or snacks. Cup. Cup. A cup is used for drinking tea, coffee, or milk. Glass. Glass. A glass is used for drinking water or juice. Mug. Mug. A mug is used for hot drinks like coffee or hot chocolate. Appliances. Stove/gas burner. Stove/gas burner. A stove is used for cooking food. Microwave oven. Microwave oven. A microwave oven is used for heating and cooking food quickly. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. A refrigerator is used for keeping food and drinks fresh. Blender. Blender. A blender is used for making smoothies, juices, or sauces. Mixer/grinder. Mixer/grinder. A mixer is used for grinding spices or batter. Toaster. Toaster. A toaster is used for toasting bread. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. A dishwasher is used for washing dishes. Rice cooker. Rice cooker. Rice cooker is used for cooking rice easily. These are the most common kitchen vocabulary words in English. Learning them will help you talk about food, cooking, and daily life easily. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos.